Hello students. In this lecture we are going to discuss one more current affair that is one of the important with respect to India and Australia both. India to have a military base in Cocos Island. Australia and India could swap islands to counter China in Indian Ocean. That means Australia is going to take India's island and India is going to take Australia's island for setting up the military base. India's Andaman and Nicobar Island and Australia's Cocos Island. So, territorial wise, Australia's Cocos Island, India wants to establish a military base on Cocos Island, while Australia wants to have a military base on Andaman and Nicobar Island. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about Andaman and Nicobar Islands in very detail. So have a look on these videos so that you might be clear more and you will feel the importance of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Why it is required? Why the India and Australia are looking to swap the military bases? To swap the island for the military bases? Because India-China relation are stressed because of the rise in tension between India and China of the region of Ladakh region. We all know at this time how the incursion of China is getting into the India, which is becoming stressful day by day. And the second is Australia-China relation. Their relation is also stressed. Why? Because Australia demands COVID-19 inquiry, which added pressure on China. And China ने बोला ऑस्ट्रेलिया को to stop अपनी इस inquiry. Otherwise, I will boycott all the economic relations with you. So due to these reasons, the India and the Australia are having stressed relation with China. So this summit was actually has to occur in the month of the January, but due to some reason it got postponed, and due to of lockdown now it is going to be a virtual bilateral summit between the prime ministers. The three important straits of these regions are the Strait of Malacca, Sunda Strait and Lombok Strait. I have drawn this map to show the location of straits. This is Strait of Malacca between the Malaysia and the Singapore, and this is going to be Philippine Sea, and afterward Philippine we have Pacific Ocean. This is Bay of Bengal, and this is your Lombok Strait. This is your Lombok Strait. और ये है तुम्हारा Sunda Strait. Strait of Malacca, Sunda Strait and Lombok Strait. These all straits are very strategically important for the exit and entry. And this is the South China Sea, जो कि अपने इस प्रोजेक्ट पे चाइना बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहा है to extend its power all over the world through this South China Sea. If South China Sea will come to this Sunda Strait, then it becomes difficult for us to cross this strait because it will have the power. Likewise, to other strait also we would not be able to cross. And these straits are also important for the crude oil and the petroleum products which are transported through these straits. So we have to stop China to extend its power over the straits of Malacca, Sunda and Lombok. Okay, so this is the importance of the strait. So हमको इस strait का बहुत ख्याल रखना है. South China Sea is one of the important junction between Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. In the graph, in the map, we have seen the location of the South China Sea, which is between Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. China is expanding in South China Sea, and all the three states are important entry and exit point for Indo-Pacific relation. Other countries are also putting efforts to stop China aggression since long, and so made Quad groups. This Quad includes four important countries, that is India, Japan, USA and Australia. All these four countries were together making so much efforts to stop China aggression since last 3 to 4 years when there had been talks to expand South China Sea. So आपको ये बात ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेगी कि जो South China Sea है ये एक important junction है between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. ओके सो आपको ये तीन स्ट्रेट्स भी याद करने पड़ेंगे, स्ट्रेट ऑफ मलक्का, सुंदा स्ट्रेट एंड लंबोक स्ट्रेट. और ये जो स्ट्रेट है इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज थ्रू दीज स्ट्रेट्स वी एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट crude oil and petroleum products. So for us, for other countries, these are where the important locations and we have to stop China at any cost. So we are thinking to develop a military base and over the Cocos Island, that is a part of Australia. I hope you are clear with this news. Thank you so much.